That was Nolan's favorite song.
All right, we're gonna go.
Nolan called you me a fart in chat.
So we got the first mystery pancake. Okay, you have to guess which one this is. Give us your rating. Throw away. Open your mouth
Smells
wide.
like a pancake.
Yeah, shit. Using all your senses, I can tell, except for sight.
Mm. It's very burnt. And then I guess it's the Old Bay pancake.
Okay, what would you give out of 10?
Yeah, I rate it.
Oh no,
I
no.
got a 10.
5? Okay, put the toothpick just down somewhere in front of you.
Nolan's mad that you turned the song off.
It's
fine,
kind of.
no.
I would not
should
eat
go
that
do
pancake
crime.
for breakfast.
Okay, this is the first other, the second pancake we'll be trying.
Oh, look at the spoon.
Jared, play the song.
Here's the toothpick.
Fine.
Oh, Dad's got the spoon. Dad's got the spoon.
This does not smell very good.
And you're gonna eat it. Whole thing.
Very
You
cold.
need to go the whole thing.
Just put the whole thing in your mouth.
Very cold.
Oh.
Yeah, all the cookies will be cold.
It's very salty, so I'm gonna assume it's an Old Bay pancake.
You already guessed all there. Do you have any other ideas?
Which is not Old Bay.
Jimmy, can I eat the rest of this?
It feels like an overly salted pancake.
Very adept sense of taste, we can tell. That this
I
pancake
don't know what
next.
options I can guess
Do
for.
you want to come back to it?
I
Okay,
don't-
I'll tell you the options. So we have original, we have just the control group, we have Lucky Charms, we have the Japanese, we have the ramen, we have the butter, we have the
Spoon.
Old Bay, and we have the Zartatar.
Yeah.
Kind of, yeah.
This
Okay,
is the
that one
next.
is Zar. I don't know what Zar's car is, but it was probably that one.
Okay, this is the next one.
Wait, what do you rate out of 10?
4 out of 10. Very salty pancake.
How do we
You
turn
know those like sea
Martha,
salt
how do we turn the
chocolate
lights
things? With like the
Oh, wait.
turkey sea salt on top? Imagine that, but
Yeah.
instead of chocolate, it's a pancake. With the chunky salt on top. That's what it was like.
Alright.
There we go.
Yeah, this is the next pancake we have. So you can see a little better. This is the one he's about to be eating. This is the one he just consumed.
Whoa, consumption.
And this is the one he's about to
Nolan
eat.
says it looks like a spam container. That is an Old Bay container, young Nolan.
Yeah.
Here's the next one. It's that sniff ring.
That actually smells pretty good.
It is also Old Bay.
He's dying.
What was it?
He's dying.
Very chewy.
Ew.
That's Old Bay. 100% that is Old Bay.
Do you want to change your first guess?
Yeah.
Okay, well, what do you think the first one was?
Nothing.
Okay.
Do you think it's a controller?
No.
Okay, you got it.
This is the
You know
next
it's not
one.
spam. Okay.
100%
Sorry.
that is Old Bay.
This is the next one he'll be trying.
I had Old Bay on my lip. It feels like that time I ate a Twizzler soaked in pickle juice with Old Bay on top.
What?
This is the what it looks like from the close-up.
Looks so gross.
That was Old Bay. Spicy, salty.
Here's your next
Old Bay.
one.
Did you just like say the slogan or something?
Spicy,
Spicy,
Old Bay.
salty. Old Bay.
And you just scoot up like you
It smells like pancake.
Is it
You can.
That's the butter pancake.
What's the butter one?
Yeah.
What's it smell like? Butter?
You know, I'm gonna put these and like put his guess in front of what the question was.
Yeah.
So he
Not
guessed,
throwing stuff.
this was this. This was this. Yes.
Oh, not good.
You don't like butter?
No, I don't like butter pancake.
Okay.
I don't like a pancake with half a stick of butter on it.
Okay, this is the next guest he has. This is what we used to flavor it. Where's the camera there? This is what